Hello and welcome. I'm Saeed from StoryPlanet.net. Dive right into the essence of the most captivating books without reading them cover to cover. Whether you're on the go, at the gym, or just relaxing at home, we offer you a unique and enriching listening experience. Today, we are exploring the book Survival of the Friendliest, a creation by Hare and Vanessa Woods. Survival of the Friendliest, 2020, explores the scientific origins of human sociability, showing how evolutionary forces shaped us into the friendly, community-focused species we are now. Before we delve into these revelations, it's interesting to note that Hare, a professor of evolutionary anthropology at Duke University's Center for Cognitive Neuroscience, and Vanessa Woods, a research scientist at the same center, are co-authors of the New York Times bestseller The Genius of Dogs. Vanessa Woods has also penned her own book, Bonobo Handshake. With 8 key ideas to unveil, brace yourself for a deep dive into this captivating book. On StoryPlanet.net. To start, this text explores the evolutionary history of friendship, examining the benefits that individuals gain from forming social bonds. The text discusses the concept of survival of the friendliest as an alternative perspective to survival of the fittest by highlighting the importance of social skills in evolution. It emphasizes the role of friendship, family, and community in human survival, pointing out that these relationships played a significant part in our ability to thrive. The text explores how evolutionary pressures shaped Homo sapiens to cooperate and form bonds, ultimately aiding in our dominance. Examples such as domesticating foxes, the social behavior of bonobos compared to chimps, and the benefits of having pets are used to illustrate the significance of social connections in human development and success. Key idea number 1. Humans have developed cognitive abilities to facilitate cooperation. Humans have evolved special cognitive skills like theory of mind to cooperate, distinguishable from our closest evolutionary relatives like chimps. While chimps struggle to understand human gestures, in games, dogs, due to domestication, follow them instinctively. The ability to recognize and communicate with other minds is an evolved trait unique to humans, raising questions about why humans excel in this area compared to other animals. Key idea number 2. Friendliness is a genetic trait linked to enhanced communication skills. Geneticist Dmitry Belyaev conducted a domestication experiment with foxes in Siberia, choosing friendly individuals for breeding. Over generations, the friendly foxes developed physical changes like floppy ears and behavioral traits like improved communication abilities with humans. The experiment shows that friendliness is a genetic trait correlated with better communication skills, impacting physical and mental characteristics. This phenomenon is observed in other domesticated animals, suggesting a link between sociability and communication abilities. The experiment raises the question of whether species can self-domesticate without human intervention. Key idea number 3. Bonobos exhibit signs of self-domestication. Living among chimpanzees can be harsh due to their violent and competitive behavior, with males attacking interlopers and females engaging in fights and infanticide. In contrast, bonobos exhibit more friendly and cooperative behavior, with females choosing mates and sharing resources peacefully. Bonobos show signs of self-domestication, displaying physical traits common in domesticated animals and excelling at communication and cooperation tasks. This suggests that cultivating friendliness and cooperative social skills can be evolutionarily advantageous, as seen in bonobos thriving in the wild. Key idea number 4. Human evolution potentially favored behavior that encourages friendliness. Human evolution seems to have favored friendliness, leading to physical changes in the human face over time. Evidence suggests that early humans with more friendly traits were more successful and dominant compared to other hominid species. Self-domestication hypothesis proposes that friendliness and social skills gave Homo sapiens an advantage, enabling effective communication, social structures, and technological advancements. Key physical indicators of this evolutionary process include changes in facial features, such as decreased brow ridges and jaws, and the development of white sclerae in the eyes for better communication. These adaptations helped enhance social interactions and ultimately contributed to the success and dominance of modern humans. Key idea number 5. Brains have evolved to create strong social connections with strangers. Ecstasy use floods the brain with serotonin and oxytocin, creating feelings of happiness and empathy. Evolution has wired humans to form strong social bonds, even with strangers, to enhance survival. Oxytocin promotes intimacy and empathy, leading humans to forge positive social relationships and cooperate with intra-group strangers. These bonds extend beyond immediate families and enable the formation of larger communities for mutual benefit. Key idea number 6. Strong social bonds can lead individuals to view outsiders as less human. Our natural inclination for collaboration has been crucial for human survival. However, conflicts and violence, such as in the case of Rachel from the Banyamulenge community, show a darker side. Strong social bonds can lead to dehumanizing outsiders, influenced by evolutionary pressures and brain reactions to oxytocin. Empathy plays a key role in countering these impulses and fostering shared humanity between groups, mitigating violence. Key idea number 7. Close, casual contact with others helps promote tolerance. During WWP in Poland, Andrzej Pytyński risked his life to help Jewish families, driven by close friendships with Jewish neighbors. Sociologists highlight the importance of fostering tolerance through positive interactions to combat dehumanizing ideologies like the alt-right. To prevent hatred, society should promote non-threatening contact between diverse groups. Creating inclusive spaces, mixed-income housing, and breaking down physical barriers in cities can help build tolerance and prevent further segregation and animosity. Key idea number 8. How we treat animals reflects how we treat one another. Conservationist Claudine Andrews cared for bonobos during the Second Congo War, later setting up kinless clubs to educate children. She believes that teaching respect and love for animals can prevent conflicts. Our treatment of animals reflects our treatment of each other, influencing tolerance and social dynamics. Studies show a link between attitudes toward animals and human relationships, emphasizing the importance of fostering connections with all living creatures for a more empathetic society. In conclusion, humans are inherently social beings, and through history, survival has depended on social skills and building communities. While we tend to bond with familiar individuals, it's important to be open to forming friendships with those who seem different to promote peace. Feedback can be sent by email to improve content. Further reading is recommended on Social Bonds in Humankind by Rutger Bregman, showing humanity's positive nature and the benefits of working together. Thank you for listening to this summary. If you enjoyed this exploration, we invite you to discover other fascinating books on storyplanet.net. Don't wait any longer. A multitude of books, stories, and knowledge await you there. See you soon on storyplanet.net.